Hey there, and welcome to Crypto Side Quests. I'm Evan, and I'm super excited to have you join me on this journey through the fascinating world of cryptocurrency. If you've ever been curious about crypto, but felt overwhelmed by the complexity of it all, well, don't worry, you're in exactly the right place. I created this channel because I wanted to make cryptocurrency easy to understand for everybody, especially for those of you who work long hours, like myself, and might not have the time to wade through all the extreme tech jargon. My goal is to simplify this game-changing new world currency so you can understand it without all of the complex language. In this series, we are going to break down complex crypto concepts into easy to understand video segments. We'll start from the ground and work our way up, explaining what cryptocurrency is, how blockchain technology works, and how you can safely buy, sell, and trade digital assets. Think of this series as your personal guide to navigating the crypto landscape, tailored for busy people like you who are eager to learn but need straightforward explanations quick. So, if you're ready to dive in and start your crypto adventure, make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit that notification bell. That way you'll never miss an episode of Crypto Side Quests. In our next episode, we're going to dive into the basics of crypto, what it is, how it works, and why it's such a big deal. I'm looking forward to exploring this exciting world with you. See you in the next episode.